Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For this tutorial, I am going to do the icord that I made with yarn and then the cotton rope that I bought from Dollarama. So what I'm going to do is I am going to sew zigzag two together. And I just wanted to share you what I'm going through. So I'm sure it's going to be fun. And the thread is just from my stash. I did not go out and buy any thread. So I thought this would be nice for this color. So what I'm going to do is I am going to start sewing together. And I'm just pulling. Yeah, I went to different Dollaramas. They don't carry, and I bought everything that one Dollarama had. So I don't know. This price was a great deal. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go between and then sew these together, like in between zigzags. To do that, I'm not going to cut anything, or I'm not going to do anything. Well, I can tape this, but no, I'm not going to do anything. Yeah, I'm just looking. I believe this inside is polyester and the outside is cotton. I'm planning to do icord on my cotton yarn that I have. So stay tuned for that. If you're interested, please leave a comment on the description, on the comment section. So I will definitely come back, because I've been noticing I have lots of views on my late videos that I have shared with you. So I'm just gonna turn this. Yeah, okay, so let's get started. And then you can see it, right? Yeah, let me get a closer look. Yeah, the yarn was from my stash. If you're following me, I'm giving all the details on my Instagram page, the yarn where I bought it. I'm tagging the yarn and so on. Yeah, if you're following me, if you check on, well, if you're following me, you know that I bought this from Turkey. The yarn 2 years ago, I went crazy and I bought lots of yarn. Okay, so I'm just going between, and I am starting, let's see, yeah, and then I'm just gonna, my zigzags, just gonna push a little bit, okay, and I am holding, I just have a regular sewing machine, nothing fancy. Okay, here we go. So trying to let me grab a tool. Okay, so what I got these tools, whichever you have. So let me see. Just the beginning I'm having. Here we go. Just go slowly. And then I'm going to go backwards just to secure it. The reason I'm doing this is because of the icord that I have knit. It's curling up. So I'm using a cotton rope. Cotton rope to have it stiff. Yeah, I think that's the right word. And my thread broke. Yeah, I don't think this thread, I don't know where I bought it. I don't think it's a good thread, because I've been noticing it breaks a lot. Yeah, it breaks a lot. And I'm just looking. It says 100% spun polyester. I don't know what that means. And it says it's a 40/2. So it was about 15 meters, so I did use a lot. And I did use a lot of this thread. I just want to finish it and never go back and buy it. So maybe brand names I have to buy for better quality, right? I just bought whichever was on sale or whichever I needed. I grabbed it at Walmart or Zellers, mostly Zellers. I bought most of my thread when Zellers was open, but yeah, other than that, now I see I have to search. Okay. Here we go. Let's try it one more time. So I did go back, and now I am going to go further, and I need to grab like the zig and the zag on both of these. It broke again. Yeah, so I'm gonna continue sewing like this, and yeah, the thread is not, I don't think it's a good quality. I don't know why. Maybe it's too old. I have no clue. I'll be right back. Okay, so I am sewing, and here we go. So I am going to sew and finish the entire of this together, and I will come back to show you how. Okay, broke again. Yeah, this is going to be a little bit tough for me, but I'm not going to give up. So I'm going to continue sewing, and then I will come back to show you how to make in a round, because it's going to take me a while, because as soon as my machine gets hot, I stop working. And then the weather is pretty hot here, so I don't know when I'm gonna come back, but I will come back to show you how to start up. But this is really fun. Try to get in the between, that's the main thing, because we want this to be sewed right, just like this. And then it will become like this. See? This is just perfect. Just try to do it slowly, because I think when I go fast, it starts to break. The yarn, the thread breaks. Yeah. And try to sew the two pieces together, just like this. As you can see. Oops. See? And then you can cut these threads. And the both sides needs to be sewed, see? And it will become one piece. Yeah, try to grab one at a time, and then what we're going to do is going to turn this around just like this. Or I can start with the one that I knit and then add this. That would look nice as well. Yeah, I do have one that I started just to show you, but I started with the plain rope, and then I continued with, well, I did it separately, but I want to do two together because I see I miss a lot and I don't want to miss. So I am working on this, but I put this aside. And I ended with the icord. I just need to continue sewing it up and go from there. Yeah, I just love how the color turns out, so I just wanted to share you this. And yeah, this technique is out there. I did see a couple of videos, but they're not showing how they do it. It's just they're just skipping a lot of good things that you know, the hard part, like the thread breaking. Okay, I did miss this part here. Let me just go back. And you just go back and you grab that. And then you just continue. Just go as slow as you can. Try not to go fast. Well, it depends on your machine, right? That's another thing. If your machine is good, mine, yeah, I don't use it often. But if I miss it, I go back. And then I just continue. Okay, the needle, I bought it from Michael's. Just show you. This is the needle, heavy duty, that I'm using. I already broke. This is my second. I broke one. Well, actually, it didn't break. The tip went weird. So as you can see, it does twist a lot. So you need to turn this into a ball. Or what I do is I just tie this like this. I make a knot. So yeah, it does curl a lot. So I do this. And I go like this. And I tie it. And I swing it on my table here down. So that turns. The twist gets, so I get rid of the twist. And that helps a bit. Because every time, who has the time to make a ball with it, right? Okay, so I hope these tips helps you if you're interested. Oh, I broke it again. The thread keeps on breaking. If you're interested in this, by all means, go ahead, jump it. If you have a sewing machine, I would highly recommend. This is really relaxing. Oops. And putting the thread back on. Yeah, my machine is pretty hot. Yeah, I'm just going to turn it off. If it's nice and cool, I work on it for 3-4 hours. Yeah, I already did a small basket. And I just really like it. So, yeah. So I'll see you guys later. You guys take care. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit the notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care. Bye-bye. La 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 la. La la la.